What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Monday, November the 2nd, 2020. The time is almost 9:28 Eastern Standard Time. That means we got about 2 minutes before the market opens. In front of you, I got two charts. We got the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500. They are both in the 5-minute chart. And we are trading on a live account, doing one contract, and our daily profit goal is to make 80 to 100 ticks between $400 and $500 a day trading. So we see, guys, here the overnight session. Market came to this lows and it just went all the way up to here, to this next resistance. Now it dropped back to support. It's just going here, a little bit of a range. So right now, what we expecting is for the market, once it opens, let's see the next candle. If it goes a little, if it comes up, but it doesn't break, take this highs right here, meaning it doesn't close above this highs, then chances are the market is gonna continue to rally to the downside. And so we'll be waiting for that to see if we can take a trade selling the market. Same thing with the S&P. As you guys see here, overnight session, market went all the way up, came back down to the support, and so expecting the same thing. Next candle open, see how far up it goes, and if it doesn't and it can continue to go to the downside, then chances are the market is gonna keep dropping. So that's it, guys. We got about 20 seconds before market opens. So again, I usually don't like to take trades in the first 5 minutes. So I like to see what the market wants to do, which direction it wants to take. So we're gonna wait for the first 5-minute candle to see, but chances are, like I said, market's gonna open, see how high it goes. There it is, market open. And so we're gonna wait to see if it comes down, takes out this lows, and then maybe closes below our blue line, and that's an indication that it's gonna continue to go lower. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna pause the video and I'll get you guys back. We are getting ready to take a trade. Alright, guys, so we're gonna take a order filled. We're gonna sell the market, guys. We're already in this trade. So see here, if this candle doesn't break that low, then it just means that that's how low is gonna go before it goes the other way. So that's why I don't want to risk the trade. So gets back, just wanted for it to break that low. If it does, keeps going lower, then we'll move our stop loss to break even. Careful with that. So what I can do here, target filled. Alright, guys, target hit. There we go, guys. Great trade. We waited, and you know, again, market open, came down here, came all the way to support, bounced back, came back to support. So that was the second retest, and so we waited for it to give us a confirmation Even though it was kind of, I'll be honest with you guys, I was still waiting for this candle. Like I said, that's why I was bringing my stop loss to see if in fact what it was going to continue to go lower. So we waited patiently. We were managing our stop loss. Now what's going to happen is if the candle breaks that support and this blue line, then chances are it's going to tank all the way down here to the next support. So yeah, that's where it's going right now. But again, guys, we hit our target for the day, so I'm gonna call it a day. If you guys like the video, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions, comments, put them in the comments below. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, guys. Click that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.